Hello everybody, OSHA 300. My name is James Petrie. OSHA 300. CFR that regulates this. 29 CFR 1910 178. Only trained and authorized providers shall be permitted to operate power industrial trucks. This is what truck number. This is where we are going to follow our 3Ds. So, I have all this in place. This is where we are. So, training basis of instruction, both classroom type and practical training, and proper. But the hazards of operating a vehicle. So, next we have the 3Ds. We're going to demonstrate, discuss, and do. We're going to go over all this. Go over this on the next couple slides. And 50 electric balance. So, different types of lift trucks. We sort of got class 2 and 4. Class 1, just for general knowledge. Had like an order picker. Class 2, reach drugs. In the years since the standard was changed, what has happened? General trend is down. Most frequently cited standards of 2010. Fall protection standards. Here we got training is key. It's always important. Forklifts. Discuss workforce system as check. Top 3.